Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at a Redmi 10. Okay, so what we will need is next to the phone this SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. And in the box you will have another white box like this one, so just open it like this, and then here you will find this SIM ejection tool. So just flap the wings like this and remove the tool like that. Yeah, otherwise you could use also of course the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now with the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip, you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, very nice on that SIM tray is that you're able to insert two SIM cards at the same time next to a microSD card. So very nice. Let us start now with the first SIM card. It goes here to the middle. So missing corner on missing corner. And the SIM contacts are below. Okay, and if you want, you can add also a second SIM card. And the SIM card would go here on the first position, like this here. Also missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are below as well. Okay, and if you want, also you can add a micro SD card to extend the internal storage like this. So you can use, of course, just one SIM card also with a micro SD card. So it has to look like this here. And of course, the contacts are below. Okay, and if you're ready with, just put your construction back into the phone like this and close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That will be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I have created also some other videos if you're interested in, or me, just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.